Bonnie's Builderall. And today I want to talk to you about video tag in Builderall. Why is video tag really important? It's really important because what you want to do is you want to be able to put a clickable call to action on top of your video. And what I like to do is I like to use the video wrapper to put around my video, and then I have extra space so I can put a clickable link in that area that's not right on top of the video. And so I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm also going to show you how you can make it responsive and also make it so that you can put it on Facebook, and I'll explain why you want to do this on a page. So here I'm going to share my screen and let's do it. Okay, so let's start with going into my Pixel Perfect. And of course I'm on a different page. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go into the video tag. Here's my video tag. I'm going to enter. Okay, I'm going to add a project. My project name is going to be tonight's test. We're going to upload from the computer. I'm going to choose the video that I just did in the video tag, the video wrapper, right here. Add it. Okay, now we're going to edit it. So I want to put a little button here that people can click to sign up. So let's see, I'm going to go to my website. I could use this if I want, but I don't really like that. So I went into Pixabay and I found a little sign up. You could make this yourself. And I made it smaller because if it was way too big, it wasn't going to work. So I'm going to open it up and put it here. And I'm going to send it to my old register for 7 days. I think that doesn't work right now. And I could make a title here if I want, but I already have one there, so I don't think I need to have this. And then I'm going to say done. It's going to show up here. It's so silly. And I'm going to make this bigger. Where'd it go? It disappeared. Let's just do this one more time because it disappeared. I don't know. It's probably behind it somewhere, but it doesn't matter for our purposes. Five seconds to the end. Done. Here we go. This little green thing underneath it is how you make it bigger. There we go. So now we have it here. Okay? You could add other ones. Oh, here was the other one. I don't know where it is. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we're now going to click this embed video. Now you have two different things. You've got this embed your video or this copy, this iframe. So let me show you what happens if you take this and you add it onto Facebook. And we're just going to go into my page. Come on. Come on, 1, 2, 3, my pages. I should have had that open for you. Sorry, guys. Okay, here's my Bonnie test. Oh, it's my computer or Facebook is just doing really close, really slow. So now if I went in here and I put that code in here, watch what's going to happen. Okay, so you see this now? It has videotag.eb4us.com, and it has the name that I called it, tonight's test, but it has no meta or any other information. Okay, so we don't want that. Okay, so now we're going to come back into here, and we're going to take this. This is this iframe. And we're going to go into my Builderall, and I have open. I'm just going to delete this. Okay, I have opened a blank page in my test account. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're going to go into apps and put an HTML box in. And we're going to put the code in that we just copied. Look what happens. You have to open it all the way because that's how big that embed code is. We want to make it responsive. So we're going to take that same code and we're going to go into a program called Embed Responsively. Okay? And we're going to click on generic iframe. We're going to put our code in here. We're going to say embed. Now we're going to take this code here, copy it, let's go back to our page, and let's change and edit it again. And now we're going to change and we're going to put the other code in. And we're going to say confirm. Okay, it's gonna go as big as we want. And when we go into our mobile, the same thing. We can take it, we can put it wherever we want, and we can. If you don't grab the corners, you don't get it to move. We can make it as big as we want. So that's a good thing. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go back to your page, and you want to create an image, because what happens when you put this video onto Facebook, Facebook is looking for a page where you can put your information. So this is now a page. It's on a page called test. We're going to insert an image, because if you want to put an image on your, so people can see what it is, let's just change the image. It could be anything. So I'm just going to pick a picture, or it could be, you could say, this is how you do this. Take that picture, put it behind your video. So just right click it, put it behind your video. Okay. So now we're going to save this page. We're going to save it. We're going to publish it. And then we're going to go into, we're going to go to, right to here. We're going to go back to my, okay, we're going to open up the site. Okay, we have it in. Okay, come on. Go a little faster. Okay, we're going to open up the site here, and this was on a page called test. And so it probably is not, because I just published it. It takes a few minutes for it to go. But look what will happen is if I now go in here into my Facebook debugger, and I put this information in here, and I click debug, it's going to have video.bonniesbuilderall.com and videos test. And we are waiting for it to, I'm going to scrape it again because I'm looking for that image to come through. So here's my image, but what are we missing? We're missing this. So let's go back in here again, and let's go back into my page, my test page, right? So if I put this, I have my name test. If I put test here, and now I'm going to put a description, you know, my video, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Now I'm going to save that. Save and publish it. Now let's go back in here. And let's scrape it again. Probably going to take a second. But what you're going to get is you're going to get underneath here. You're going to get, pause this. So do you know the reason why it didn't show? I didn't hit save here. Now hit save. And save and publish. And this should happen much, much faster. Because if I didn't save that, it wasn't going to find it. Okay, so now you'll see if I go to sharing debugger, see it has that stuff here, my video. So let's just say you were putting a video together because you wanted to sell Builderall affiliate stuff, or you wanted to sell a necklace or whatever program you were doing. You want to put a whole bunch of information here so that people can read about it. So what I would like to show you how to do is I want you to make a separate thing. So mine is now a subdomain. So it's video.bonniesbuilderall.com. And this is going to be for all my videos. So I can have a different page for each one. And when you go into those pages, the layout is going to say home. So my layout, let's go back to my layout. So you go back here. It says videos. I made it. So that's just going to say there. And then let's go back. And now for each one, so like this one here, I made it, healthy living. And let's just see what shows up here. And you'll see what shows up over here. This is what it's going to show up. And then when you go to your video, always go to the Facebook debugger, because the Facebook debugger really makes a difference. So I'm going to go back and talk to you for a second. So basically what you want to do is a 3-step thing. Is you want to add your tag to it. You want to put it on a page. You want to embed it responsively. And then you want to debug it. And then you can get it on Facebook the way you want it. So hopefully this helps. Thanks. Also, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. It's facebook.com/BonniesBuilderall. And I'll see you in the next video.